If you are someone like me, juggling multiple devices every day like an iPhone, an Android phone, a tablet and even a laptop, then having one charger that can handle all of them actually makes life simpler. This is the Ambrane 65W 3-port fast charger, and it's meant to be that one charging solution. Let's quickly unbox it. Inside the box, you only get the charger itself, no cables included, so you'll need to buy those separately. What immediately stands out is how compact this charger is. It's surprisingly small for a 65W adapter, especially when you compare it to bulky laptop chargers. It comes with a detachable Indian plug. Underneath, you also have the flat pin plug. Build quality feels solid and the finish looks clean. You get 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. When you charge one device at a time, either of the USB-C ports can deliver up to 65 watts and the USB-A port can go up to around 36 watts. When two devices are connected, power is split to 45 watts on one USB-C port and 20 watts on the second. With all three ports in use, the output is divided into 45 watts, 12 watts and 6 watts. So if you are charging a laptop, I would recommend plugging it in alone. That way, it gets the full 65-watt output without any power sharing. I'm also using a 65-watt supported USB-C cable from Hammer here. This part is important. Even if your charger supports fast charging, you won't get full speeds unless the cable itself is rated for higher wattage. In real-world use, it charges my iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from 0 to 50% in roughly 30 minutes. Even though neither phone supports the full 65 watts, charging is still fast. My iPad goes from low battery to full in about an hour. And my Lenovo Yoga 7 laptop charges fully in roughly 2 hours. If you want quick top-ups, charge a single device and let it pull the full 65 watts. If you are charging overnight or don't need speed, you can run one main device at 45 watts and connect two more for slower charging. For the price, this is a very practical and versatile charger for a multi-device setup. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.